Um, this is Adam Fluttershy here, and today, yeah, here, and, going to play just soccer. So, nope. Just like, soccer physics, but on a tablet. And I made it go for the other team. Nice. Goal. Whoa, that went straight out. Good kick though. No. Get up, what are you doing? Oh. The other team made a goal. The other team made a goal. Oh, what? Go. What the heck is that? Is that a turtle? I don't know, but it went straight up in my face. Oh, look at that, a pyramid. Get the thing! I'm just gonna call it a turtle. Get the turtle, kick it. Oh, that was a nice kick. Well, that's, I'm abusing myself. I'm just kidding the other player in the goal. Come on, get out of there. No, see, they made a goal because of my, ooh, that was a nice kick. Gotta say, that was a nice kick. Nobody's even paying attention to the ball. What? I made a goal for me. Go! Get the football! No! What are you doing? Go back! Go! Kick it! The other way! Kick it! Oh. Go! Go! Wow, that's just abuse. Everybody's just fighting in the goal in the ball. Get out of my way, soap scum. I don't know about that thing. Come on. Move. Move out of my way. There you go. Okay. Yes. Come on, guys. Yes! I won! blue this time. Let's go. And go. Get the turtle. Get the turtle. Get the turtle. No. Get the turtle. Yes, there you go. Now. Oh. I won't let you take my turtle. Or take the... Why did it say take my turtle? No, move. Step away from the turtle. Oh my gosh, they're over. My other guy's just over there having fun in the pool. No, stay away. No, I'm just gonna kick you in the face. No. What are they wearing? And are they holding bottles? Yes! It didn't do anything, but still won. Do nothing. And you will win. Wow. When I've been moving and they've done nothing. Except push us into the goal. But we're moving. Move. Don't you kick me. I'm moving in. Ooh, that was a good kick. No, my other guy's just like, no, they're holding those sharp things. Get up. Ooh! Don't you push me off, yo. Thank you. Oh, thank you. I feel that thing. Go. No, don't you push me in my own goal. Don't you be pushing me in my own. I just can't take it to the turtle. Just there. Okay, there. Dang, I jumped over him. Again. Move. We need to make a goal. Yes, 3-1. 3-1. This is going good. Oh, dang it. Out. Let's go. Kick it. Dude, my guy looks like a referee. No! Oh wow, we're still winning. But, they have a yellow guy in it. Dang, that was some good goal. But they have a bottle? What? They even play soccer with a bottle? Move. Oh, don't you get up in my face. Over here. Mister, don't you get up in my face. You understand me? I'll kick you in your face if you get up in my face. Don't you get in my face. Listen here, you ain't getting that bottle closer to my goal. And don't you ever get up in my face, sweetie pie. Don't be acting all cute and getting up in my face, cause you ain't cute getting up in my face. I'll get up on your back. I'm just holding him down. Come on. Get the other one. Go, get the other one. Just kidding. Oh, he's got my back. And I'm on his back. Yeah, I took them both down. Oh well. Getting back to the bottle. Can't move. You should just wait for this guy to get up. I'm on top of both of them. We're doing a foot dance. Can't touch this. I got this. Can't touch this. I really need to get out. Come on, guys. Let them get out. Why do some of them have their arms up? No, don't you get up on my face. Don't you get up on my face. I'll kick your face. While my teammate. Oh, yeah, no. Oh, hell no. Get the bottle. No, no, I'm gonna block the bottle. You can't get this anywhere near. Kick it the other way. 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 What are you doing? There we go. Kick it the other way. Oh, no. No, no, no. No. And he got up in my face. That's it. I'm gonna shoot you. Yes. I win. Because I'm the best. I'm the best. Play for two. I mean, for my two hands. Go. These are my two hands here. And blue will still win. Yeah, I will. I'm still gonna win because I'm not. What the heck? The red. My left hand has a yellow guy in his team. Or her team. They're doing good. Doing good. No, what? No, no, no. Oh, dang, I just kissed you. Or just kissed my left hand. Oh, you just jumped over that. Wow. 1-1. Who will win, right hand or left hand? Dang! Again, I'm beating him. Why are we holding guns exactly? Oh, boom, boom, boom. Oh, shoot the other way. Shoot the... Blue has to win. My right hand has to win. Go, go, go. No. The other one's just having fun in the goal. Yes! Dang! That was sick. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Left hand cannot win this time. No. 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 Either way, I'm still gonna be happy if either makes a goal because they're both my hands. And I'll be winning anyway. Come on, go, 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 go. Oh, I just kicked myself in the face. Just go, go, go. Yes! Oh, going. Wow, my right hand is skilled at soccer. You see that? Dribbling the ball like a pro. Oh, dang, that was a good kick. Left hand is also good. Yeah, I win. Is that enough? I think that's enough. Well, guys, I think that's it for this episode.